and welcome to an unboxing slash series here on my channel that I didn't know I was gonna keep on doing, and then I forgot to cancel my subscription to it. So we're gonna keep on doing it. And I mean, I like these videos. I know Stitch Fix can definitely be hit or miss, but overall I like the experience and I think they're fun videos and I just want to keep on trying. Just want to keep giving them a shot. So I have got my Stitch Fix here. I feel like this is a bit heavier and larger of a box than normal. I guess we're gonna find out. Oh, cat hair is not included, thankfully, but one of the many perks of living with me. Not that I'm the one producing the cat hair, but you get what I've got two long-haired cats. Okay, well. So, Stitch Fix, clothing subscription service. Not really. Styling service, I guess we should call it, where you get sent 5 items. Could be shoes, could show you my address, could be clothing of any kind, could be accessories. I personally love the jewelry that usually gets sent to me. Every now and then it's a miss, but for the most part, I really, really love the jewelry. So, everything comes nicely packaged in there. And they do men's, kids, and plus sizes, as well as their straight women's sizes. Everything also comes with a pre-stamped mailer bag. It's huge, so everything will fit in there. We've got the cute little card thing that says, "Ah, hello." I read it backwards in my monitor and it just read, "Ho ole." Okay, my friend, let's see what they packed in my large wad. Oh my, I think we got nothing but clothing. I usually like to see a little variance, like an accessory, but I'm liking the colors that I'm seeing, so let's take a look, you guys. I feel like my past Stitch Fixes, at least like the past 2, have really not been my cup of tea, so I am hopeful that things can't really get much worse. So to start off, we have got a cute little, ooh, I do like this. Got a cute little stripy button-up shirt. Oh, I really like this. I like the sleeves on here. Got an extra button, that's nice. ID 23, which I don't think I've gotten clothing from before. But it's just a really nice, lightweight, I don't know, like a soft, cottony linen kind of a feeling shirt. Good for sweaty folks like me, nice and sheer. Oh, that is very, very cute. I have high hopes for this. And then I saw we had some abstract cheetah-y printy. Oh, what this is. They call this a kimono, but it's got a tie in the front that I'm not sure about. I don't know. I've really never owned anything like this, although I can tell you the material is that kind of like, I don't know how to describe it. Can you hear that? It's that material. AKA it doesn't breathe. So chances are I won't be keeping that. But I do like the print on it and the color. It's really unique and cool. And let's see. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Just like a really soft, the material of this. This is from Gold Ray, which again, I don't feel like. Sasha, is this from you? I feel like you've taken a step out of the normal box anyways. I mean, it's just a beautiful sweater. There's really not much to it, but it feels really nice, nicely weighted, and the color is gorgeous. So I'm down for that. I love the print on this. This is very cute, although I do have a feeling this is a maxi dress. This is from Kaylee. Again, another brand that I'm not. Oh, it's not a maxi dress. Oh my goodness. Oh, I am so excited. Oh, this is going to be cute. I can just already tell you, this is going to be real cute. It's got a really cute fluttery sleeve. It's got a wrap, which I'm pretty sure is a faux wrap. Oh, I'm very excited about that. And it looks like we got some pants. An ankle skinny. All right, I am down. It just looked like a really nice, oh, cool. Oh, I was about to say, they just look like a nice plain pair of denim, which they are, but then they've got this really nice, it's not necessarily a navy, it's like a gray pewtery, kind of a blue velvet going down the side. Oh my goodness gracious. Yes! Oh, I am actually really excited to try all this stuff on. Whee! Okay, so we've got the pantaloons on. They are cute. They fit me very well. They're a little snug around the waist, so probably want to keep on working on getting back into working out. But they fit so comfy. They are so soft and stretchy and just Wonderful. Now this kimono, again, I have no idea. How does one go about this? I assume you wear a shirt underneath it, right? Yeah, this is just not for me, right? Like there's no, this can't, is it? I don't know. Maybe it is cute? I'm so confused. I just feel like it makes me look heavier up top, just the way that it lays up top. I don't know, is the tie too loose? Oh, maybe if it's, maybe if it's tied like that? That's actually kind of cool, right? I don't know, I just really like the print of this, but it doesn't breathe, so like, am I ever gonna wear this? I don't know. But I like it when it's pulled tight, you know, shows off the rump, and just, yeah, I don't know, I kind of like it. I feel like maybe since I would wear something underneath it, and since it's not like super tight to my body, that's why I'm like considering it. Cute! This fits me like perfectly. I love it. I love that it's a little sheer so you can see my bralette through there, and you know, I left it unbuttoned so that I could show, you know, you could always do a little tie situation, or just wearing it nice and loose like this, tucked into a skirt. Just really like the sleeves. I don't know, I like the way that the stripes are all going, the little pocket. I like that it doesn't button all the way up so I can still stay like open up top. I think it looks like it's kind of a high-low type of a thing. Yeah. Oh, you guys, I feel so cute. I need to wear real clothes more. Oh, working from home has gotten me into such like a rut with just wearing leggings, but like seeing me in jeans and like this shirt, I'm just like, okay, Cass, okay. All right, and this plum sweater, it is really nice. I just know myself and I wouldn't wear it because it is form-fitting, and I just feel like a stuffed sausage in a not good way. The sweater is really nice. I mean, it's super nice material. It's very nice and soft. Got a nice V-neck. The color's gorgeous. 3/4 length sleeve. I just know myself well enough to say that I won't ever wear it. Cute! Cute! Oh, I feel so cute in this. Oh! I love the print. It's nice and flowy. The only thing is that it keeps like rolling so that the white shows, but that would be honestly very easy to fix with a little stitch and then like a little button that you could put right there, a little snap button or something. But oh, it's just so cute. I really like the print on it. Like I said, I like the flowiness of the sleeve. Nice little wrap on it. Oh! It hits me like perfect spot, perfect at the knee. I have a little pair of canvas wedges that I could see looking so cute with this, and just, oh, I love it. This is why I know there are many of you that say in these videos of mine, like, oh, Cassie, that looked so cute on you, like, why aren't you gonna get it, this and that? Well, it's because I don't feel like this. Like, if I feel like this in a piece of clothing, that makes me want to keep it. You know, if I'm excited when I have it on, when I think I look cute as all get out when I have it on, that's when I think a piece of clothing is worth buying. Y'all can think things are cute on me, and that's totally fine, but if I don't think I look cute in it, I'm not gonna wear it. So that is my criteria. Alrighty, friends. Oh, this is the first time in a long time where I'm pretty sure I'm keeping everything. I know I didn't like the purple sweater and I won't be keeping it for myself, but I can just tell you already it's gonna be cheaper for me to buy all 5 of these things together rather than only keeping 4, since if you do buy all 5 items, that is an incentive of Stitch Fix, is that not only do you get your $20 styling fee off of everything, I mean that happens regardless of how many items you keep, but then you also get 25% off of your full order if you keep all 5. So we did get Sasha! All right. What'd she say? Happy 19th fix, Cassie. Sorry, here you go. God, I can't believe it's been almost 20 fixes. She says, I'm sorry you were disappointed in the fit of your last fix. For this one, chose some transitional options to wear into the fall. High-waisted bottoms, nice velvet trend stripe. God, she worded this much better than I'm reading it. Ooh, yeah, that would be cute. Wear them with the sneakers that I had kept, the CV's sneakers, the green ones, the teal ones that I kept from at least a few Stitch Fixes back. Once the weather cools down, you can wear them with booties and the ribbed knit top. Chose the kimono to layer with for added style and a flattering touch. And then the wrap dress to add some more color into the wardrobe. I'm looking forward to your feedback and requests. Yay! Well, thank you, Sasha. I am so excited. So many cute items. I'm just looking at, they always show you how, like, if you need ideas on how to style the items. All right, so let's see how much things costed. Oh, nice. This button-down top was only 38 bucks. Usually this kind of a top, I feel like if you got it at Nordstrom or something, would run you like 50-some bucks. The kimono is $44, which is I would put it more at like 38 bucks, 35 to 38 bucks, but all right. The burgundy sweater is $48. These pants, you guys, are $129? What? I can't. As much as I really like these pants, I can't spend $130 on jeans. I have my stuff set to the lowest settings. I don't know how these got included, and that breaks my heart because these are really nice jeans, but I can't spend that much money. I just can't. Not on pants. All right, so I'm not keeping everything. And then we have this dress that is apparently $54, which I don't feel like it feels like it's that high of quality. I would put this more at like $35 for the dress, but I still really like it, so I'm still gonna keep it. My heart was so happy, and then my dreams were dashed so quickly and easily with those jeans. $129? I can't do it, you guys. I just can't. Everything together, if I would have purchased all 5 items, it would have been $313, but with the 25% off discount, it would have been $234.75. But like I said, I just can't do it. I have my settings on my prices where they are for a reason, and I'm a little bummed that my hopes were gotten up and then let down like that. So that's a bummer, but overall, you know, I'm still really happy with this fix. It was fun getting to try on those jeans. I just can't keep them. I just can't. So that's gonna do it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this Stitch Fix. Sorry for the bit of the emotional roller coaster there, but it is what it is. I still hope it was enjoyable for you all. Definitely let me know in the comments down below what your favorite items were on me. What did you like? You could also let me know if you would like to see me continue doing Stitch Fixes. I think I'm going to. I just think they're fun, and they're just a little nice switch up on my channel here from the normal beauty content and whatnot. If you are interested in trying out Stitch Fix at all, I do always have my affiliate link down below. It saves you money, it saves me money. It's a win-win situation for all. I think it gets you 20, 25 bucks off. I think it waives your styling fee. Is that what it is? In any case, it saves you money if you want to go ahead and use it and try out Stitch Fix for yourself. It's completely free to sign up and take the little style profile quiz and everything. You only give them your credit card information once you are ready to schedule your first fix. And then after that, it's not like you're signed on. You have to do it every single month. You tell them when you want your next fix. So if you don't want one for another year, that's how you can have it set up. So I do like that about them. So. You can also let me know if you enjoyed this video, found it helpful, whatever the case may be, by giving it a thumbs up down below. I would really appreciate it. And if you're new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can go ahead and subscribe. You can tippity tap that notification bell down below. You can become a member of my casserole family here on my channel. I'd love to have you here. And as always, I just hope you guys are all doing well. Until next time, just stay well until then. Bye!